Hello students, once again I welcome you all in my channel Mathematics Made Easy. The applications today a bit typical one based on multiple submultiple angles. Let us take up the first question for today. He says if tan theta is b upon a, find the value of, note correct, tan theta b upon a, find the value of under root a plus b upon a minus b plus under root a minus b upon a plus b. Now the solution for this we have to find the value of under root a plus b over a minus b plus under root of a minus b upon a plus b. See please, my problem is to evaluate it. Given tan theta b upon a, so this can be written as under root of, it is a, right here 1 plus b upon a. Divide the numerator denominator by a, this, plus under root of, it is 1 minus b upon a over 1 plus b upon a. Check out. That is, in these under root signs, we write this expression, divide here by a, the numerator, the denominator, similarly here. The reason behind it is that we have, this is equal to 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta plus under root of 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. That is, you substitute the value of b upon a. Now this is written as under root of 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta over 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta plus under root of 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta over 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta. Write in this way, instead of tan theta, change it to sine and cos. This will be equal to under root of, now take the LCM, it becomes cos theta plus sine theta over cos theta minus sine theta. The denominator will cancel out. Cos will go. That is, the LCM, whatever it is, cos will go. Similarly here, it is cos theta minus sine theta over cos theta plus sine theta. Check out. And now, what we do is, we just write down taking the LCM, under root of cos theta plus sine theta upon this plus this. Now this will be equal to cos theta plus sine theta plus cos theta minus sine theta upon, this is under root of, it is a minus b, a plus b. That is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Therefore, take the LCM, simplify also this into this. Cos square minus sine square. Sine theta will go and you have just 2 cos theta upon under root of cos square theta minus sine square theta. Therefore, and this will be equal to just 2 cos theta upon under root of cos 2 theta. This is the result we want here. Actually, we want the value of this. The value of this is 2 cos theta upon this. Put up here the reason, because cos square theta minus sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. This is one of the most important question from the competition point of view, that if tan theta is equal to this, we get this. Okay? Take up another question. The question is that cos 6 theta minus sin 6 theta. देखो, cos 6 theta minus sin 6 theta is equal to, this is cos 2 theta into 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square of 2 theta. Therefore, this is another question before us. Again, a bit typical one. The question is cos 6 theta minus sine 6 theta is cos 2 theta 1 minus 1 upon 4 sine square 2 theta. I discuss in a different way. What I do is, I said start with cos square theta minus sine square theta the whole cube. Take up in this way. Start like this. Cos square minus sine square the whole cube. It is cos 6 theta minus sine 6 theta minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta into cos square theta minus sine square theta. That is, the formula is very clear. I can put up before you here. A minus B the whole cube. It is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. Therefore, because the property is this, or we want the value of this by transposing. Right here, by transposing, we get a cos 6 theta minus sine 6 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta the whole cube plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta into cos square theta minus sine square theta. Please check out. That is, when you transpose in this way, or this will be equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta. You can take it as common. Inside it will be cos square theta minus sine square theta. This is in the right here like this. Cos square minus sine square the whole square plus 3 sine square theta into cos square theta. Right like this. That is, you take out one cos square as common. So this will be equal to cos 2 theta into cos square 2 theta plus 3. देखो, it is right here 4 into 4 sine square theta cos square theta. That is balance here with the 4. As the results given in this case, it is cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta into cos square 2 theta plus 3 by 4. So it is now sine 2 theta whole square, sine square of 2 theta. देखो, it is 3 by 4 sine square of 2 theta. Because we know that here sine 2 theta, because sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. There is the reason. Again a multiple angle. Cos 2 theta into 1 minus sine square 2 theta plus 3 by 4 sine square of 2 theta. Therefore, and this is just equal to cos 2 theta into 1. Now it is 3 by 4 minus 1. It is 3 by 4 minus 1. Becomes here minus 1 by 4 sine square of 2 theta. So see, this is cos 2 theta is 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square of 2 theta. This is on the right hand side. This is your second question. The question before you, cos 6 minus sin 6 is equal to this.
Start.
Now take up another question. If tan alpha is 3 by 2 tan beta, prove that tan alpha minus beta sin 2 beta upon 5 minus cos 2 beta. Again a very important question. Now see, it is given that we have tan alpha is 3 by 2 tan beta. My problem is to prove this tan alpha minus beta. Now take up the solution. This is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta over 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. देखो, now this is tan alpha is 3 by 2 tan beta minus tan beta over 1 plus tan alpha 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 tan beta into tan beta. So this is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 half tan beta over, this is 1 plus 3 by 2 tan square beta. Now change into sin and cos also. It is sin beta upon cos beta over, this is 2. Here it is, in this case 2 here. Then we say 2 plus 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta upon 2. देखो 2 cos square beta, that is change into sin and cos, and now this 2 will go, 1 cos will go, it is equal to, देखिए this is equal to sin beta cos beta upon, it becomes 2 cos square beta, 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta. Now just have a look on the question. He wants the answer sin 2 beta, that is in terms of he wants the answer multiple angles. It is sin beta cos beta upon 2 cos square beta 1 plus cos 2 beta plus 3. Now sin square beta, you know, is 1 minus cos 2 beta upon 2. This. मतलब 2 cos square beta is 1 plus cos 2 beta. Sin square beta is 1 minus cos 2 beta upon 2. Now if you take the LCM here, it is 2 sin beta cos beta upon, it becomes 2 plus 2 cos 2 beta plus 3 minus 3 cos 2 beta. देखो, and directly you are getting the answer, that is sin 2 beta upon 3 plus 2 5 minus cos 2 beta. This we want on the right hand side of the sheet, of the question. He says prove that 1 plus cos square 2 theta, 1 plus cos square 2 theta is 2 times cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta. Very simple but very important question. Important from the examination point of view. Now see, take up the left hand side. We have 1 plus cos square 2 theta. This is equal to in place of 1, right here, cos square theta plus sin square theta the whole square plus, it is cos square 2 theta, right here cos square theta minus sin square theta the whole square. Because you know cos 2 theta is cos square minus sin square. Now open the squares. It is cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta minus a plus here plus minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This will go and you are just getting the answer on the right hand side. Check up please. Take up one more. Another question I can add. Prove that sin 4a is equal to 4 sin a cos cube a minus 4 cos a sin cube a. We have a very important case once again, that is sin 4a is 4 sin a cos cube a minus 4 cos a sin cube a. See the solution for this left hand side, it is sin 4a. This is equal to 2 sin 2a cos 2a. देखो, it is sin 4a, 2 sin 2a cos 2a. It becomes here 2 into sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. And in the brackets you have cos 2a, becomes here cos square a minus sin square a. And when you open the brackets, it becomes just 4 sin a cos cube a minus 4 sin cube a cos a, as it is given on the right hand side of the question that we want to show sin 4a is equal to this. Okay? Yes. Now see some more questions on the same we shall continue, but before that let us make a list of the results. The multiple angle 3a. First is sin 3a. The number 2 is cos 3a. And third is tangent of 3a. Very important cases before us. Multiples 3a. It is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Then we have 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Then tangent of 3a. It becomes here tangent of 3a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a over 1 minus 3 tan square a. Check out please. Now with these three results, before we go for some more applications of this, let us establish here a very important article, that is in the form of a result. Evaluate sin 18 degrees. Very important, sin 18 degrees. देखो, the solution for this is A is equal to 18 degrees. We have 5a is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we have 2a plus 3a is equal to 90 degrees, or 2a is equal to 90 minus 3a. This is the way how we establish the formula for sine 18. Now take sines. Therefore, we say sine 2a is equal to sine of 90 minus 3a. Check out. Now it is sine 2a, 2 sine a cos a is equal to sine 90 minus a cos 3a, which is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is 2 sine a cos a. See, now because cos a is not equal to 0, as cos 18 is not equal to 0, therefore we have 2 sine a is equal to 4 cos square a minus 3 is equal to 4 into 1 minus sine square a minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 4 sine square a minus 3, and therefore it is 4 sine square a plus 2 sine a minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 sine square a minus plus 2 sine a minus 1 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic in sine a, therefore solve it as a quadratic. Sine a is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root of 4 plus 16 upon 8. And this becomes equal to minus 1 plus minus under root of 5 upon 4. Now, because sine 18 degrees is positive, therefore sine 18 becomes sine a, that is sine 18 is equal to under root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. So we say that sine 18 degrees, try to remember it as far as possible. Sine 18 degrees is equal to under root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. Immediately from here we can draw a corollary that we have cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. Therefore, cos square 18 degrees is equal to 1 minus sine square of 18 degrees, which we can simplify 1 minus under root of 5 minus 1 upon 4 the whole square. It is 1 minus of 1 upon 16 into 5 plus 1 minus 2 under root of 5. And this is 16 minus 6 plus 2 under root of 5 upon 16. That becomes, yes, 10 plus 2 under root of 5 upon 16. Dekho. Or we can just say that therefore cos 18 degrees, from here you can just derive under root of 10 plus 2 under root of 5, this is upon 4. See, remember, I will always say that try to remember the value of sine 18. There is no need of remembering the cos 18. Whenever cos 18 is required, change it to with the help of this formula and get the answer. Let us now take up another article to evaluate cos 36 degrees. This is also a very important result. We have the procedure is same. A is equal to 36 degrees. 5a, we have to multiply only with 5. It is 180 degrees. Now split as before. 2a plus 3a is equal to 180 degrees. 2a is equal to 180 minus 3a. Here also we will have to take sine on both sides. Sine 2a is sine of 180 minus 3a. And this is, sine 180 minus is a sine 3a. Therefore, use multiple angles. 2 sine a cos a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Now because sine 36 degrees is not equal to 0, therefore we have 2 cos a is equal to 3 minus 4 sine square a is equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus cos square a is 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square a. So we have therefore 4 cos square a, 4 cos square a minus 2 cos a minus 1 is equal to 0. Again a quadratic in cos, so cos a is 2 plus minus under root of 4 plus 16 upon 8. And this is just equal to 1 plus minus under root of 5 upon 4. Now because cos 36 degrees is positive, therefore cos 36 degrees is equal to under root of 5 plus 1 upon 4. Check up please. And from here you can derive similarly the value for sine 36 degrees. Again I say no need of remembering the value, simply remember cos 36. Thus we conclude, thus sine 18 degrees is under root 5 minus 1 upon 4, whereas cos 18 degrees is under root cos 36 degrees is under root of 5 plus 1 upon 4. Now these are some of the cases today I have discussed before you. The rest on the same topic we continue next time.